If you want to change the message tone on OPPO Reno 15, then there are two things that you can do. So first of all, we can open the settings. Now in settings, we're gonna go to sound and vibration, and then in here you should be able to find notification tone. So what you can do is you can choose a sound for notifications in general. So the notification tone includes message tones. So whenever you receive a new notification, that includes a new message, then the selected sound from here will be played. Now, on the other hand, if you want to set the message tone just for messages, so if you want to change the sound that you can hear when you receive a new message, then what you can do instead is in settings, we're going to go to apps and we're going to go to app management. Now in here we need to find the messages app. There we go. Now here in messages we can go to the to manage notifications. There we go. And then in here we need to scroll down to find incoming messages. It should be in default settings. Once you go over here, you can tap on the ring option and then let's go to settings, and now you should be able to choose the specific individual notification sound that will be played just for new messages and only for that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.